Jai Jain. Today I'm going to talk about Jeev Ajeev. Jeev means living and Ajeev means non-living. Now I would like to explain about the meaning of Jeev and Ajeev. The meaning of Jeev. All living organisms which can grow, move, breathe, have a life and can differentiate between punya and pap. Jeevs also have feelings and knowledge. Ajeev means non-living things. Non-living things are anything that don't have life. They can't grow, move, breathe, have a life, or differentiate between punya and pap. They have no feelings and knowledge. Examples of Ajeev are car, book, table, pen, chair, etc. Now I would like to explain about the types of Jeev. There are two types of Jeev. Sthavar Jeev and Tras Jeev. Sthavar Jeevs are those Jeevs who have only one sense of touch, sparshan. All those Jeevs who are stationary but have a life and can still grow are called Sthavar Jeev. Now I would like to explain about the types of Sthavar Jeev. There are 5 types of Sthavar Jeev: Prithvi Kayak Jeev, Vayu Kayak Jeev, Agni Kayak Jeev, Jal Kayak Jeev and Vanaspati Kayak Jeev. Now I am going to explain in detail about each type of Sthavar Jeev. Prithvi Kayak Jeev. Prithvi means earth, and Prithvi Kayak Jeevs are those Jeevs whose body is itself earth, like stones, soil, mountains, etc. Vayu Kayak Jeev. Vayu means air, and Vayu Kayak Jeevs are those Jeevs whose body is itself air, like storm, cool breeze, etc. Agni Kayak Jeev. Agni means fire, and Agni Kayak Jeevs are those Jeevs whose body is itself fire, like candle flame, cooking gas flame, etc. Jal Kayak Jeevs. Jal means water, and Jal Kayak Jeevs are those Jeevs whose body is itself water, like water, ice, river, etc. Vanaspati Kayak Jeev. Vanaspati means trees, and Vanaspati Kayak Jeevs are those Jeevs whose body is itself Vanaspati, like grass, plants, leaves, etc. Tras Jeev. Tras Jeev means those Jeevs who are born with 2 to 5 senses. Tras Jeev can move on their own. They are not stationary. There are 4 types of Tras Jeev: Do Indriya Jeev, Teen Indriya Jeev, Char Indriya Jeev and Panch Indriya Jeev. Do Indriya Jeev. The Jeevs with only 2 senses are called Do Indriya Jeevs. Examples: worms, caterpillars, etc. Teen Indriya Jeevs. The Jeevs with only 3 senses: Sparshan, which means sense of touch, Rasna, which means sense of taste, and Grahan, which means sense of smell. These Jeevs are called Teen Indriya Jeevs. Examples are ants, scorpions, bugs, etc. Char Indriya Jeev, the Jeevs with 4 senses: Sparshan, which means sense of touch, Rasna, which means sense of smell, Grahan, which means sense of smell, and Chakshu, which means sense of sight. These Jeevs are called Char Indriya Jeevs. Example: flies, mosquitoes, bees, butterflies, etc. Explain about Panchindriya Jeev. Panchindriya Jeev. The Jeevs with all 5 senses are called Panchindriya Jeev. Examples: humans. On top of it, humans and some other animals have one more sense, which is called mind, as in man. That's why they are called as Sangi Panchindriya Jeev. Today I explained about Jeevs, their types and their subtypes. A Jeev, as I explained earlier, is non-living, which can be found in many places around us. With this, I would like to conclude my presentation. Jai Jain. Thank you.